Man, I feel like getting in my bag today. Let's do a jerk chicken, and I'm gonna throw some barbecue sauce in with it. My own barbecue sauce. Let's get to it. It's JB Sutton Hands. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna create a marinade. I'm gonna start by cutting the onion in half. And you keep these fairly big. Put that in our blender. I'm gonna cut up some scallions. Scallions in the blender. Really good marinade. So now we got those scallions cut up. We're gonna add 4 cloves of garlic right into the blender. Then some fresh thyme. Add a little bit of brown sugar. Some ground allspice. A little bit of nutmeg. Some cinnamon. Some black pepper. You can notice I don't have any salt. We're gonna add soy sauce. Smelling good already. Then we're gonna add a third cup of honey. Some pineapple juice. And then a fresh squeezed lime. Now we're gonna get this a good blend. Now we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. One more time. So now we're going to our chicken. Nice, clean, not patted dry. We're gonna come right over the top with our marinade. I like to work this in. Now I'm gonna wrap this with some plastic wrap and then it's sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours. So we can leave it overnight, but we just want that flavor to get soaked in as much as it can. Look at that. So for the barbecue sauce, we're gonna start with a cup of ketchup. I got my heat off. I don't want anything to boil right now. 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. So Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce or however you say this. Pineapple juice. Some brown sugar. Salt and pepper. Onion powder. And some garlic powder. Some honey. We got some white vinegar. And a couple dabs of hot sauce. Now, if you want a little extra heat, you can add some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna turn the heat on low and I'm gonna get in some nice little stir. And then we're gonna finish this off with a whisk. Make sure we get everything nice and blended in evenly. So we're gonna let this simmer for about an hour on low heat. It's been cooked for about an hour, and this is the consistency I've been looking for. Look at that. You smell that, can't you? Got our meat, it's done marinating. Now we're gonna put this directly on the grill. We're gonna use our regular technique though. We're gonna be smoking it half on, half off. And throughout the process of this cooking, I'm gonna be adding more of this marinade right onto the top of this. But I gotta make sure I wash this grill because you got the meat kind of directly over the heat, so it'll be easy for it to burn, but it's gonna be some good flavor on this chicken. Let's see what we got. Halfway done. Like I said, I added a little marinade. So I'm gonna give these a little toss. Been moving back and forth. I'm gonna just slide these over to the other side. I'm gonna let these smoke for a little bit. I'm gonna intensify that flavor. Let's get it. Time to see what we got. Yeah, sir. Don't mind my feet. That's exactly what I want right there. Man, I just mouth water. Would you look at that? Man, look at that. Look at that cut on that chicken. That's jerk chicken. I wish you could smell that. Tell me. Let's get us a little taste. I don't even know what to start off with, man. Guess I'll try one of these wings first. And look at that. I'll try a little sauce. Try that sauce first. Man, see, I'm from the South. These wings a little different, man. But you try this. Tell you. Look at that. It's off that bone. That thing. It's off that bone. That's 2 bites. Look at that, 2 bites. Wrap that skin around that. Man, try you. Chicken turned out just how I wanted. Flavor to the max. Y'all, try that jerk chicken. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. As always, the ingredients in the description. JB Sutton hands. I'm telling you, they're here.